Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Tuesday, September 14th, 07:39 a.m. New York time. Going to discuss stock IPOs. These IPOs are some that went public in 2020, as well as some this year, 2021. We will compare those single stocks, those companies, to the performance of several stock indexes. We're going to see if they either outperforming them, performing equal or worse. Some stocks do not live up to the hype. We're looking here on a chart expanding over 3 years. Each candle is a week. First, we look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is comprised of 30 different companies in a broad range of different companies from the US stock market. Also, the Dow Jones is an old school stock index, the original stock index in US markets, but it does get updated periodically. Bad companies leave and new companies replace it. So look here over the 3 years. We are now at an all-time high over the 3 years. Outstanding. That's leadership. All-time high for this year. Took out the high of last year, the prior year. Like I said, all-time new high. NASDAQ 100. Also all-time new high. Outstanding. And the S&P 500 all-time new high. If you're not aware, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the NASDAQ 100 are inside the S&P 500. Got it? There's several indexes in the S&P 500, and there's smaller index inside of it. The Dow Transports, we are not at all-time highs, declining. This is part of the S&P 500 as well too. And the Dow Utilities, we are not at all-time high. That was last year. Got it? So now we're going to go look at those individual companies that went on the stock IPO. Same thing, look at a 3-year duration. So we'll first look at 2020, the year 2020. Airbnb, Alpha Bravo, November Bravo. That's a stock symbol. I just said it to you phonetically. We are not at the all-time high. The all-time high was the beginning of the year. Since then, it's declined, much closer to the low. Disappointing. DoorDash, food delivery company. We are not at all-time high. That was earlier this year. GDRX, all-time high was last year. We are not there. LI, also all-time high was last year. Rocket Company, RKT, all-time high was this year. Since then, we did make new lows since the IPO this year. See, the IPO was last year, but we made lower lows. That's not good. Snow, SNOW, all-time high was last year. The IPO was last year, and we made a lower low this year below the IPO. That's not good. Unify Software, all-time high was last year, and we're not there any longer. Whiskey Mike Goff, Warner Music Company, all-time high for the year. So one of them is higher so far than its IPO from last year, and one of them just hit all-time high there. So the takeaway right now is the stock indexes I showed you, most of them are outperforming these stock IPOs. Alpha, Papa, Echo, Victor, all-time high was last year. Yeah, it's in a sorry shape. It's not good. So let's go look at some from 2021. Alpha, Foxtrot, Romeo, Mike. Oh, it's not an all-time high. That was earlier this year when it did the IPO. IPO sold off steep, which made a lower low when the IPO opened. Bumblebee. Nope. Look at that. That was the all-time high. The first trading week of the year. Since then, it's been below. Not good. Coinbase. This is a cryptocurrency exchange. There are several cryptocurrency exchanges. This one decided to get listed on the stock market this year. Symbol Charlie, Oscar, India, November. The first week of IPO hit an all-time high. Since then, it's declined and has not gone back to the all-time high. Yeah. Exchanges, financial exchanges should be doing outstanding, just like casinos. You're making money. You have a good business plan. Makes you wonder what's wrong with this exchange. Do you trade crypto? Do any of the cryptos you trade or invest in go through Coinbase exchange? Yeah, another big concern about cryptocurrency itself as well as the exchanges. I just showed you those stock indexes were outperforming, and those are a bunch of single stocks. Again, you expect this change to do outstanding. Delta, Sierra, Papa, all-time high early this year. Since then, all-time new low. Not good. Okay, another thing. When you got stock exchanges, you also have brokers. Here's one, Robinhood. Second week was the all-time high for the year. Since then, declined, and it's gone lower, 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 lower. That's not good. A broker is similar to a casino. You should be making money consistently and outperforming. A lot of hype in these businesses. A lot of people got taken to the bank, got your money taken from you. Oscar, Sierra, Charlie, Romeo, all-time high beginning of the year. Since then, decline, made an all-time new low as well. Not good. Papa, Lima, Tango, Kilo. All-time high was the first week of trading, then declined it, made an all-time new low. Papa, Oscar, Sierra, Hotel as well. First week all-time high, since then decline, and look at that all-time new low. So again, take away, most of these IPOs have filled to make all-time new highs this year. Currently, most of them are declining. Remember, a lot of these companies just didn't come out of the forest and just come created brand new this year or last year. They've been around for years. It's just that their companies chose to get listed on the stock market to raise capital. And when a company raises capital, they get to decide how to use that money. And it's disclosed public information before they get listed on the stock market. So it's free information, and you could know what that was. And it's still free information. You could know, did they use that money to pay down debt, to acquire other companies, to offer higher salaries to employees, to buy new equipment or hardware, software products, or pay back their old lenders with big gains, the original investors. Maybe some of all that. RAAS, not looking good. Wow, near record lows. Romeo, Bravo, Lima, X-Ray. Yep, software company that makes games, software games. IPO ran up, broke that $100 range, declined. Not good leadership. Romeo, Lima, X-Ray, all-time high right there. Since then, declined, made new lows. Wow, way below the IPO levels. Again, that's another thing, how bad. When they are trading below the IPOs, that's horrible. That's not good. Sierra Hotel, Lima, Sierra. Yep. Here's the IPO week, and we're almost below that. Not good. Way below highs. X-Ray Mike. all-time highs, and here we are now, still below the all-time highs. Yeah, we're higher now than we were in the lows, but it still hasn't taken out the high. Be better off in those stock ETFs, indexes I showed you, and uniform Oscar U. IPO ran up and declined, targeting maybe back to the original opening price. Nope. So most of these I just showed you are not performing as well as you expect. So back looking at the indexes, such as SPX, S&P 500. It's a broad index of 500 US companies. This would have been a better choice. And the stock ETF for the S&P 500 is SPY. There you go. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.